G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Still got the steel band encasing some of it, which is almost opalized clay. Some of it's very hard. Unfortunately, the colours are beautiful in this, but how much of it you'll cut into stones I don't know. It's really, I think, look at buying it as specimen material. Maybe one of you guys that go to a show or something like that can take it and sell it off as small specimens. Anyway, I'll zoom in for you. Alright, I've zoomed in there. First of all, you probably want to see this biggest piece. Quite spectacularly bright colours, but as you can see, it's got the sand amongst it. These have been the cracks where the opals come in. But it's interesting sort of material. This other piece, that may cut a stone. I put the pieces that I thought might cut aside there. Most of the other material, that's a bit of not very much, but in saying that, it's worth still cut, like I keep saying in a lot of videos, cut it in slices and keep looking inside. Quite often it has a colour bar and black base inside. You can imagine the miner finding this and going, wow, he's onto it. But a lot of it is not cuttable. Bit of opal in the end there. Pretty well every piece has got opal. That might cut a stone. Hollows. Some of it's nice material though. Pity it's not 1/4 of an inch thick, 10 mils thick, and everybody'd be a lot happier. Very bright colours. You get the idea. Some's got more opal in it than others. It's almost like white opal here. I think I'll leave the rest and let you discover the other bits and pieces that are amongst it. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.